This is video number 5 in a series that I'm doing, teaching you how to manage and get rid of your elbow pain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an exercise called loaded elbow extension in pronation. For most people, one of the first 2 exercises that I've already done in this series are going to work for them. However, if those didn't work or you plateaued with them, then give this exercise a try, because in that case, this might be just the exercise to get you all the way better. Loaded elbow extension in pronation. That exercise is just describing what you're doing with your elbow and in what position. You're doing this exercise if you've already done loaded elbow extension and that didn't work for you or you plateaued. And maybe you also tried loaded elbow extension with lateral overpressure and that either didn't work at all or you plateaued with it. But before you do this one, I want you to make sure that you've done at least 40 or 50 repetitions of those prior exercises. You can't just do it one set of 10 or a few reps and expect to get a response. Sometimes these elbow conditions can be a little more stubborn than that. Pronation, so we're going to take our hand first of all. Our palm's going to be up for this particular technique. I am turning my fingers inward all the way around like that. Okay? So I'm bringing my thumb in toward my body this way, and then you're actually putting this part, the back of your hand, on the surface, on your desk, on your table, whatever. Fingers are pointed away from you. And elbow extension is this motion, elbow extension. But we need to add overpressure to this technique. If it's too intense, then just do that. But I've never seen anybody just stop there. Almost everyone has to add overpressure. So if it's too intense, then just do this. Pressure on, pressure off, pressure on, pressure off. However, we're going to add overpressure because that's what most people need to do. So I'm just going to kind of take my palm here, put it on the point of my elbow basically. I'm right down here. I'm not up here. I'm not down here. So I'm kind of right over that elbow there. Okay? And I'm going to extend and then overpressure. Bend my elbow, extend, overpressure. Bend my elbow, extend, overpressure. Just like that. Extend, overpressure. Each time trying to move farther into that range, and you should feel strain as you do this. Overpressure. Overpressure. So I'm not below the point of the elbow. I'm kind of right at the point of the elbow with the pinky edge of my hand right here. Extend, pull into overpressure. I'm holding 1 or 2 seconds each time. 1, 2. And with each repetition, I'm trying to move farther into my range. If it's a little uncomfortable at first, just go right to the start of the discomfort and then back off. But what you should be feeling is strain more than pain. We actually want strain because that's an indicator that we're getting that joint to end range. And if you remember, end range is where the magic happens. So extend, overpressure. Extend, overpressure. This way. I know it kind of looks like I'm rotating a lot, and there is a little bit of rotation happening, but really I'm just moving my arm this way. Extend, overpressure. I'm just kind of pulling it right into my side this way. Extend, overpressure. Pressure on, pressure off. Pressure on, pressure off. You're going to do this for 10 or 15 repetitions. Some people have to do it more before they start getting a response. Pressure on, pressure off. When you get done, kind of just shake it off, move your elbow a little bit. It's a little intense. It might be a little strain or soreness that lingers for a few seconds when you're done. But then test it out. So if it had been painful to open a door, to pick up a light weight or a coffee cup or your water bottle, try that out. Does it feel better? If not, do more. Do another set of 15. If it does feel better, good. Do another set so you feel even better yet. But I would not stop at just one set. Keep going. Try to get at least 50 repetitions in this setting to give you a clue if this is going to work for you or not. I've just shown you how to do loaded elbow extension in pronation. The dosing for this exercise is 10 to 15 repetitions every 2 to 3 hours or is needed for pain. As I said toward the end of that exercise, most people need to do more than one set to let them know if the exercise is going to be beneficial or not. So, do 15 reps or so, rest, do another 15, rest, do another 15. Do at least 3 or 4 sets of around 15 repetitions. And then, as I said, try things out that have been painful. If it feels better, great. Do this exercise. 10 to 15 repetitions every 2 to 3 hours. If it has no effect, I would still try to do even more. Try to do more sets to let you know if it's going to work. If it feels worse, stop. Don't do it. Go back to one of the other exercises. Even if you had plateaued on a previous exercise, go back to that exercise and maybe just do more repetitions with it. If you like what you've seen in this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the little bell. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video showing you how to do one of these great exercises for getting rid of pain so that you can do those things that you love doing in your life. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and leave us comments below. Let us know if you tried this exercise and how it worked for you. If it worked, let us know that, because we like to hear that, and it also helps our viewers and subscribers know that, hey, this exercise can help me. If it didn't work, let us know that as well, because then I can suggest a modification to the exercise, which might make it more beneficial to you, or I can suggest another exercise altogether, which might be more appropriate for you.